everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing of a Feel Unique beauty kit. Just to go over what this service is if you are not aware, it is offered by the website Feel Unique, and once a month you can log on and choose from an array of different products, be it hair care, skincare, perfume and makeup, and you can create your own little beauty kit. This does normally cost £12.95 plus £3.95 shipping. When you get your email confirming dispatch of your beauty kit, you do get a gift voucher and reimbursement of the £3.95 shipping, which can be used on anything on the Feel Unique website. When I placed my order for my beauty kit, it was because they had a deal on their website where the beauty kit was only £9.95 plus the £3.95 shipping. So I decided to pick another one up, especially because at the point I ordered, the pick and mix sample service, which I usually get every month, was still not available. At the point I'm filming this, it is back on their website. The way that the pick and mix samples works is that it is just the £3.95 shipping that you pay. The actual cost of the service is technically free because you do get that £3.95 back when you get your dispatch email, like with the beauty kit. The products on offer in the pick and mix do predominantly tend to be samples and sachets, whereas the beauty kit do tend to be travel size minis or bigger samples of the products. For me, I do always try and get the pick and mix samples every month when it is available, but I say it's not been on the website for the past few months because of obviously the current climate. For the beauty kit, I don't get that on a consistent basis. I only get it when there is enough products in there to make it worth it for me, and I treat it like a subscription box because most subscription boxes are between sort of £10 or £15. So if I know I can get a decent amount of products that I either really want to try, or I can get quite a bit of value out of the products that I pick, that's when I will get it. What I usually do at the beginning of these videos is I go over the items that I've tried from the previous beauty kit, but when I had a look at what the 5 items were from last time, I have actually only tried 1 of the 5, so I can't really give my review on the 5 products like I normally would. I do have 4 of them in front of me here, so I will just very quickly go over what they were, give my thoughts on the one that I have tried, and then I will get into showing you the items that I have received in this month's beauty kit. So I had the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, this anti-aging moisturiser from Estee Lauder, this Balance Me Congested Skin Serum, and this Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Wifey. Oh, I know I've just said there was only 1 product I've tried, but I've actually realised that there's technically 2 because one of them is a product that I've already owned before. So the first one that I've tried out of this bundle was the one from Huda Beauty, and this is the liquid lipstick in the shade Wifey. I do have a full-size liquid lipstick in the shade Venus, and I did really enjoy it, which is why I picked up a mini. But I haven't reached for my Venus one in a while, so I had kind of forgotten what the formula was like, and it is quite drying. To be honest, I have definitely shied away more from liquid lipsticks as of late. Because of working from home and things, I do definitely want to go for more of a comfortable lipstick, and I'm reaching more for lip glosses and things than liquid lipsticks. So I didn't love this as much as I possibly once would have done. It is definitely a dry formula. Shade wise, it is quite a nice pretty shade. Slightly lighter than I tend to go for when it comes to sort of brown nude shades, but it is nice and I will happily use this product. The other product that I have actually tried, but not this actual one, this is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. The reason why I got this beauty kit in the first place was that I wanted this product because it is a product that I do regularly use. I think it is currently in my Shop My Stash skincare drawer, and I don't have much left in the one that's in there, so that is why I had picked this up as part of the beauty kit to get it as a backup. I think this size product is usually about £10, and obviously the previous beauty kit I paid the £12.95, so it was worth it for me just to get this product. It is a really nice serum that I think has a bit of witch hazel and tea tree in, so when I do start to get a breakout, I just apply this, and I feel like it does tend to keep my breakouts at bay and it does really soothe them. If I do have any sort of little spots that come to the surface, applying this does help dry them out that little bit quicker before they get any more aggressive, so I do really enjoy this product. And then I haven't tried any of the products that were here. The 5th item that I don't have in front of me was a Moroccan oil hair treatment, and that is in my bedroom, and before I sat down to film I didn't think to go and get it, so I haven't got that one with me now, but I've not tried that one yet anyway, so I haven't got a review. So now on to the products that I've picked for this month's beauty kit. And this is how they come in this little pouch. Rip this up without you staring at the products before I've gone through them. So every time you do order a beauty kit, it does come in one of these pouches. I have said in previous videos that even though it's a nice pouch and definitely something that is very practical, I do just wish they would change it up slightly even if it was just the colour. This might be a nice product if you did have it in multiple different colours for when we are able to travel again, to have different things in like colour coded plastic bags. It's nice that it has a little wrist strap as well, and it is decent quality. So I do wish they would either mix it up and send different colours or different bags or something like that, or allow you to opt out to receive the bag. This is now the sort of 5th or 6th of these bags that I've got, and I haven't got any use for them, so that's something that I would possibly tweak with this service, but it's just something to note. On to the 5 items that I have chosen. I know this service isn't about getting the value out of the products or things like that, but because I am quite naturally nosy, I do like to go through and see how much each item is worth. So as I go through each item, I will tell you the value and then I'll give you a grand total at the end. First item I picked was something from Dermalogica. This is the Prisma Protect Broad Spectrum High Protection Light Activated Skin Defense. I'm not 100% sure as to what this is. It does say light activated multitasking moisturiser provides broad spectrum defense while preventing future signs of skin damage. So I don't know if it is just an SPF with added benefits or it's a moisturiser that has SPF. I'm not 100% sure. It does come in this decent sized tube. This is 12 ml of product. I have tried quite a few things from Dermalogica through the pick and mix samples or the beauty kits, and I have quite liked what I've tried, but it is an expensive brand, so I've never gone on to actually purchase anything full size. So just looking at the back of this one, it actually says, after cleansing and toning, apply a generous amount to the face and neck, preferably 30 minutes prior to sun exposure. So I think it is kind of a glorified sunscreen. Now I'm sitting here in front of the light, it is unfortunately only half full. So I don't know how much product's actually in here, but I can see that the product only goes up to here. That is slightly annoying. Either make it a smaller tube if that is 12 ml or fill the tube up. Value wise for this one, the full size is 50 ml for £59. So I work out that this is worth £14 and 16 pence. If this is just a sunscreen, I can safely say that I am not going to spend £60 on a sunscreen unless it's an absolute game changer. But obviously that's the point in this service. I'll give it a go and see what I think. The next thing is from the brand Eucerin, I think that is. And this is the Hyaluron Filler Concentrate. So this was quite an intriguing looking product, and this is something that is technically a full size in that this is one serving of it, as it were. When you purchase the full size, you do purchase 6 of these 5 ml ampules or whatever they are. But I don't actually know very much about this product. Obviously it says hyaluron, so I presume it's like hyaluronic acid, and then it does say filler, so I think it's anti-aging. I do remember reading a little bit about it on the website, and I think it did say it was moisturising and anti-aging, and I think it is a sort of serum type product. So I was really intrigued by it and thought I would give it a go, and it is in really sort of cute packaging. So like I said, the full size of this product is just 6 of these 5 ml bottles, and that comes to £33. So I work out that they are £5.50 each. Then I picked this product from Lumen, I think that's how you say it. This is a Finnish brand, and this is the Nordic Hydra Intense Hydration 24-hour moisturiser. It says contains organic Nordic birch sap, hyaluronic acid and Arctic spring water. I think it can be used as probably either a day cream or a night cream, but one of the last beauty kits that I got from Feel Unique, I did get a day cream from Lumen and I did really enjoy it, so I thought I would give this a go. It does just say supports continuous skin hydration throughout the day, so yes, it must be a day cream. Leaves skin feeling refreshed and energised. Skin feels instantly softer and smoother. Fresh texture, suitable for all skin types. So yeah, I'm excited to see what that's like, and it comes in this really cute little pot, which is 15 ml of product. And it does say on the box there that this is the trial size, so I presume it's like the travel size, so I want to give it a go. So the full size of this is 50 ml for £17.90. So I work out that this 15 ml is worth £5.40. Which is good because then if I do fall in love with it, it's not too expensive of a product for me to repurchase. Next, I picked this product from the brand Medicate. This is the Hydrate B5 Liquid Rehydration Serum. The reason why I picked this product is I believe this was available in a recent, I think it was Look Fantastic box, and it was one of the multiple choices of products that I could have got, and I did get the other one, and I was a bit disappointed because I'd kind of wanted to give this a go. So when I seen it was available in the beauty kit, that's why I thought I would pick it up. So this just says, after cleansing in the morning and evening, massage 6 drops across your face, neck and décolleté. Leave to absorb before applying moisturiser. I've not seen a product which has been that specific about how many drops, but 6 drops does seem like an awful lot. I only ever tend to kind of go in with 3 or 4 drops on my face, but I'll see how that works out. So it says it is a multi-weight hyaluronic acid. It's a serum with cult following, that's how well it works, infused with multi-weight hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 to leave the skin moisturised from the deeper layers right up to the surface. It visibly plumps and softens fine lines and wrinkles to leave skin supple, restored and nourished. Complements any skincare routine, so it does sound really good. And then it does come in this really nice glass bottle with a rubber pipette at the top, so I'm excited to give that one a go. So value wise for this one, it is 30ml for £40 for the full size, and I work out that this 8ml is worth £10.67. And then the final product that I chose is this one from Filorga. This is the Lift Structure Ultra Lifting Cream. Filorga is another brand that I do tend to get quite a few products from in either the pick and mix or this beauty kit, because I know they're quite high value and it's nice to give them a try. And again, now that I'm sitting here and the light is shining through, this one only goes up to about here as well. This supposedly contains 15ml. I don't know very much about this one other than it's an anti-aging lifting cream. I don't think I've tried this one before. I say I've tried other anti-aging creams and moisturising things from Filorga, but I don't think I've tried this one. So this is the highest value item in the kit. The full size of this is £67 for 50ml. So I work out that this 15ml is worth £20.10. So just to reconfirm, these are the 5 items that I've received in the beauty kit. I've totted up that the grand total value of these 5 items is £55.83, which, considering I've paid £9.95, I think that is great value and better than some subscriptions I've tried as of late. Look fantastic. And there are quite a few products here that I'm really excited to try. The main 3 probably being the ones in this hand, and then these are just ones that I added because I was intrigued. But that is it for my latest beauty kit unboxing, and that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.